All right, hey, here's gonna be a real quick and short video. Filler gauge. You need to have an extra one. Go pay the $5 at Harbor Freight. Always carry it. And we're not going to use it for measuring. You can buy a key duplicator off the internet, Facebook Marketplace. You bought out another locksmith. Who knows? Well, I want to turn around and do this key here, but I don't have it. And we've all ran into that issue where we got to take another key blank, put it in there, hold it. Just get you a filler gauge set. Get it in there, slide it in, tighten your clamp, verify, and do the same on the other side. Real simple, real cheap, and it's a good thing to have on hand. Hey, if you like those little tips, tricks, and whatnot, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be dropping videos. I've got some of you guys that have already sent me questions, and you will be getting more. Just a couple minute videos, nothing too in-depth. I will have longer format ones here after a bit. But thanks again, and let's be safe out there.